that you have just not open your camera. Yeah, now it is okay.
Okay, so hello. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great.
Okay. And I think it's been a very long time we met, right? Today.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. So I think we
Yes, so
should
I just,
introduce.
yeah, definitely. We should start from our introduction part.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so may I start or you can start first?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for giving me such opportunity to introduce myself. As my name is Nidhi Kumari, I am from Jharkhand. As I'm studying class 9, I have 5 members in my family and have 3 siblings, one me and 2 some brothers. And my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. As well as I'm so much eager to learn English language, so that's why I'm practicing here in the Skype application. Even though I'm running a YouTube channel, that's all about me.
Wow, wonderful. Really. Okay, let me introduce myself. So this is Chandan Lahiri. I live in Bihar state. Professionally, I'm a teacher. And if I discuss about my hobbies, so I love to interact with the new people and traveling different places. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, yeah, that's very fantastic to hear about your introduction. So as I just wanted to know about your like journey about the English language.
Uh, can you repeat once?
Yeah, as I wanted to know from you about the journey of your English language.
Okay, my English. Okay, journey. Okay. Yeah, I have been working for 2 years over this language. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's fine. Yeah, so I can also say that what the suggestion do you want to give to those people who want to learn this language?
Yeah, of course, I would like to give a few suggestions to the learners. Like they have to read the stories, or yeah, even any kinds of books. It's a mandatory for learners, as well as they have to establish as a habit of listening. Okay, like English speech or English content, listening and reading and speaking. 3 things they must follow in their daily life, so that will be very convenient for each learners to have the good experiences and having fluency into the conversation. Yeah, this is my suggestion for all of them.
Okay, yeah, that's really very fantastic. I can say that these suggestions will really going to help to those people who want to improve themselves, their communication skills. If they want to improve, then definitely this will help. So I can also say for speaking English language or for communicating each other, there is necessary a few tips. If they will follow like this, then definitely they can speak very well English language. I can say first of all, they should have the regular practice because if they will practice on the regular basis, then they can going to get a lot of help and can get result in themselves that I'm able to speak very well English language if they will do on the regular basis. If they will do like if they will do on the random days or if they will practice with the co-learners on the random days, then they cannot find any result in themselves because I've also seen this result in myself. Like when my examination was going on, before the examination I was having a conversation with the people's co-learners in the study applications. But after that, when I was started from the started from after 5 or 6 days, I have started again to have the practice in the study application. At the time I was not able to speak like earlier time I was speaking. So at the time I just find that there is necessary a regular practice. If we will speak on the regular practice, then we can going to get a lots of benefits in ourselves. And whatever we are knowing at the first time, like at the first time we will we are definitely a beginner. For anyone one who has started, we are definitely a beginner. So at the first time when we have started to speak, whatever we are knowing wrong, grammatical mistakes, if they are also having whatever it is, we should have to express all those things in front of people. Because speaking comes by speaking. If we will speak more and more and have the practice on the regular basis, then only we can find the corrections and can speak very well English language. So the first
Hmm.
tips that I want to share to those people who want to learn English language is that there should be a regular practice, and the other thing is that they should face a camera, because if they will face camera much and much, they can overcome of their hesitations and can speak with a confident English language. And I can say at the post time if they are just doing like conversations in the audio call conversations in any application in any platform if they are doing that's fine one or two days they can do but after a chance they should start in the video call conversation for the practice part because if they will do the conversation on the video call conversation they can see a good result into themselves because in the video call conversations it boosts our communication skills by removing our hesitations with confidence and we can see gesture posture eye contact how we are speaking this type of things we can see in our video call conversation so that's why there is necessary to have the conversation in the video call and the other things that you have already told to us that we should focus on the reading listening speaking this type of things so if they will follow like this step then definitely they can speak very well English language.
Wow, wonderful suggestions of yours. And really, I can see you improved a lot in comparison to your previous days. What I When I met to you that time, you were quite hesitant and fumbling many of time, but now you are quite fluent because you did a lot of struggle over this language, right? And this is your
Yes,
experience, what you share now. Great.
yes, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So nowadays, I would like to know the nowadays what do you do for learning English?
Okay, sir. So I can say nowadays I'm not able to get a lots of time to have the practice with the peoples or do any activity at my home. Like I can say I go schools in the morning at 8 and coming evening after having the tuitions 5:30 or 6 in the evening I'm just coming. So that's I'm not getting much time to have the conversation with the peoples and do anything. So like after coming the tuitions I just text message in the Skype application if there is anyone free I can talk with them like with the co-learners or I just take one or two sessions in a day in the evening when I just come and like this I'm just practicing.
Yeah, that's really great because talking to people, face to face is a quite effective manner of improving your communication up to the mark. Okay. And you're going to learn the arts of maintaining your expression, eye contact, and so many things included this language. So yeah, that's really great.
Yes, sir, you are
Okay.
absolutely right.
Mhm. Okay, so tell me today's like how's your morning today and have you celebrated today is the festival, now what festival today?
Yeah, I can say today's is not. Tomorrow it is Saraswati Puja.
Okay, tomorrow, but at my place today the people are celebrating. Okay, no issue.
Oh, but here in these areas, all the peoples like Jharkhand and Bihar, all the people they are just celebrating like tomorrow Saraswati Puja.
Okay, okay. So have you been organizations preparing any kinds of organizations of tomorrow?
No, not any type of organization, but we will do the worship at our homes and we'll go somewhere.
Wow, on picnic, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes,
What's
amazing.
your plan about this? What's your plan about this?
Yeah, today I will celebrate these festivals with my colleagues, my friends. Not yet, because now I can say, like at my society, the people are organizing all kinds of, things, include that festival. And after this session, I will go there and look forward what these people are doing. Yeah, but I will
Okay.
celebrate. Yeah.
Yeah. The societies, the other people's neighborings, they are just organizing the functions of the Saraswati Puja in that we can go or we will go, definitely we will go.
Yes. So did you visit Kumbh Mela? Yeah, Kumbh Mela. Yeah.
No, no, I haven't visited. So have you visited?
Not yet. Kumbh Mela. There is so many population of people. So I'm,
Yeah, so
frightened.
that's why only we are just not going there.
Yeah. So many, so many people got died due to have so many population of the people. So that's
Yes,
why
yes.
I
Yeah,
do
so
not
if we
allow
just
myself.
want to, yeah, if we, why there is necessary to go Kumbh? If you want to worship the God, we can definitely gonna to worship at our homes. There should be like there should be the trust in our mind that we are like God is there in my heart. And why it is necessary to go somewhere?
Yes, you're right. But you can say there, there is a kinds of fear, right? Mela. So due to that reason, people, deliberately try to go there. Okay, because if you go there, you are getting different kinds of personalities like Sant Mahatma and different kinds of Babas. You can get there. So
Yeah, yeah,
many
definitely.
people, right?
And
Temple.
these are lots of people. There is a lots of people has become famous by visiting the Kumbh Mela.
Yes. So that's the reason behind to go there. And some more people have the faith in, like if I will go there and take a bath, then my sin will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
gone, will be gone. So this kinds of mentality of the people, that's why they go there.
Yes, yes, definitely. So, sir, can I connect later because the light has gone now?
Okay, sure. Which time?
Okay, so
Can you
thank
tell
you
me
so
time?
much. Time like after half an hour or 1 hour, I can connect.
Okay, I will be there.
Okay, okay, definitely, sir. So, thank you so much for giving such a valuable time.
Yeah, yeah, same here. Bye.